This is a numerical simulation based on Einstein's equations, matched to the real gravitational wave signal detected by LIGO. Two black holes, each about 30 solar masses, spiral together, warping the surrounding space-time into a distorted ring. They lose energy as gravitational waves, the orbit tightens, they accelerate, and merge into one larger black hole. No light, only space-time is disturbed. Now we switch to a visualization of the gravitational waves as they spread outward. Long before the merger, ripples spread through the fabric of space-time, gravitational waves reaching their peak at the moment of collision. They crossed galaxies, clusters, and cosmic voids for 1.3 billion years. When they finally reached Earth, they stretched and squeezed space by less than the width of a proton. After traveling for over 1 billion years, the entire signal arrived in less than a heartbeat. Yet LIGO was precise enough to detect it. The collision was invisible. Only its tremor in space-time was detected.